Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little update or a quick update on how far I've gone with my abdominal exercise, which what I've used majorly is clothing exercise. I started 4 weeks ago. I've not been consistent. I know it's a 2-week challenge, but for me it's going to be an everlasting challenge because I can't do the exercise every day because I've not got that time. Sometimes my mind is willing, but my body has gone on vacation. I'm telling you. Sometimes I want to do this every day, even twice daily, but I just can't get off my sofa. So it is all right. I've seen results. I'm not going to say I've achieved what I want to achieve at all. I'm far away from achieving what I want to achieve, but I've gone few inches down. I can notice in my body how I feel. I've lost kgs. I'm going to be showing you what I've lost. I will now show you my improvement with the exercise. When I started, it was a struggle. So I'm going to be putting the exercise side by side, my first or second day of starting the clothing exercise and now. Even though I'm not doing exercise every day and I'm not doing it constantly or consistently, my energy has improved. How I feel is improving. I want to just tell you this before we go into the exercise. If you cannot complete the exercise, don't beat yourself over it. It is okay to miss some exercise or to miss some of the steps. It's okay to take longer breaks in between the exercise. Have you watched the video where she herself stopped doing her exercise for a very long time because she had leg injury and had to do the exercise again after a long time? Did you see how she was struggling? Yes, that is the level you are. You are not Clothing. Your name is not Clothing. My name is Gloria, so I'm not Clothing. Even though I'm trying to do the exercise that she is encouraging us to do or that has worked for her, I'm only trying my best and I'm not going to kill myself over the exercise that I cannot do. If you cannot finish it, it's fine. But if you keep doing it every day, you start getting so used to it. It got to a point where I no longer feel the pain on my stomach and I felt it was no longer working, but I think it's working. It is just that I'm now getting used to it. As long as the exercise is contracting your abdominal muscle, after the exercise, we're going to be measuring to see where we were before and where we are now. And I hope this video helped you. I'm not saying I've lost all the weight or I'm not saying I've gone way far. I'm not going to tell a lie to you. It's just a little difference because of my inconsistency. So, but please enjoy the video. And before you go, please remember to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the video from me again. Thank you and I will see you in the workouts. First off, I would like to start by saying my face I think has reduced a little bit. And if you can see my neck, is not as full as it was. Especially if you see the other video, this video and this one, you see how my face is looking right now. I think my face has gone down a little bit and I'm beginning to lose the weight bit by bit. For any of you that does not know Clothing, she's a YouTuber. She's on YouTube free of charge. You can watch any of her challenge. She does loads of exercise, full body weight loss, abdominal exercise, butt exercise, lots of exercise, and it's easy to do if you're really consistent. So check her out and see. You can follow her and any other person you wish to follow. It can be any exercise that works your abdomen.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even though we can stay, I wanna change a thing. 'Cause without you, everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
I am really sweating. You may not see it, but I don't sweat as such. This exercise is intense. I am struggling on my third day because the first and second day I had my exercise, then I started working and I didn't exercise for 2 days. Now it's as if I'm starting afresh. I'm so sore I can hardly finish any of the round. I'll try again tomorrow or later in the day, in the evening when I'm not full, and I will see how it goes. But we have to do this, guys. I have to do this. It's really intense. I can hardly even finish any of the round because it's that difficult. Okay, guys, that's the end of the exercise, clothing exercise. Clothing challenge. I know you may not be able to hear me very well because I'm panting, so I'll just take a minute, have a drink, take a break, and I'll talk to you. Can you see I'm sweating? I don't sweat as such, so you may not see the sweat. But yes, guys, I'm actually sweating, and I've got my little girl here disturbing me and doing the exercise with me. I'll just catch my breath so I can talk to you. Prior to recording this video, I've not done clothing challenge in a long time. So whenever I'm starting again, I usually struggle. Other than that, I can actually finish all the exercise with no problem. Any week I'm able to like do the exercise consistently for 3-4 days. On like the 3rd, 4th day, I can finish all the exercise without taking much rest. And it will be so smooth, smoother than you can see now. But because I'm not going to fake it to you, I'm going to be showing you raw as it is. So now let's go into measurements, checking how far we've gone.
I don't know for how long I'll get to hold your hand, to be your guiding light in the darkest of nights. I will try to do my best until the day that I'll die. I won't lie, it's not going to be easy, but I'll try. Don't you worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here, and as long as my heart beats like a drum.
Before you go, please remember to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the video from me again. Thank you. I love you.